Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. It is a lovely, chilly day here in southwestern Virginia. And you know what? I decided it's been a long time since I've gone exploring. So right now I got my Harley-Moto app and I'm just gonna go enjoy my day after Thanksgiving ride. Hells yeah. Oh boy, it is so pretty out here. I did, however, get a brand new 360 camera, so that's a little exciting. That's why you got this giant pole sticking out right in the front of me. You know what? I don't mind it. As long as it's staying there, it's not harming no one.
Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you.
So something that I guess I really want to talk about is the recent motorcycle accident I witnessed. And if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it right up in the corner so you guys can go ahead and watch that. It's also going to be down in the description for you guys to go and check out. And then any other time you want to, highly recommend it. Very educational. The biggest thing I really do want to take away from that is that you guys really want to make sure when you are wearing gear, and please wear gear as much as you should. Don't just have the gear. Make sure you're actually wearing all of it properly. Make sure your helmet is strapped up. Make sure your gloves are put on properly. They're strapped down. Make sure your jacket is zipped up all the way. All these things, or else otherwise it's just not gonna work as properly. So like in that video, the kid was wearing a helmet. Thank God, because that probably helped him from his initial impact. But from his initial impact, the helmet went flying. You can clearly see it in the video. So it's really important that when you do have that gear, you want to make sure that you are wearing it properly, because who knows if his head hit the ground anymore, if it hit the car another time after the first initial impact. But he didn't have his helmet on. So that's the important thing. You need to make sure you have on your helmet so that way you are protected the entire way through. You know, especially in these curvy roads. Man, it is so freaking gorgeous. Look at that river.
With your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him with fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man of your peers. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, niggas fugazi. How would they ever gon' fuck with a kid? Put it on, baby, it do not faze me. Boy, I do not give a fuck what you did. Eating that kitty, she's still in my rib. I cannot trust me, fuck with the peas.
Oh man, this is so gorgeous out here. I'm not gonna lie, this is the coldest weather I'm ever going to be riding in. But it's not too bad because I'm not going too fast, because I'm going through all these curvies. But man, oh, this is so nice. So side note, how was everyone Thanksgiving? Did you get lots and lots of food? Did you have any nice family debates? Or did you guys end up in a complete argument like most other people's families? Hopefully it was good and entertaining to some degree. Me and Miss Bob, for actual Thanksgiving, we didn't do anything. It was kind of nice to just literally do nothing. We ended up having Thanksgiving last weekend because of families, like time restraints and work schedules and stuff like that. So it was just what we were able to do, and we made it work. So it means I just get a long weekend and not have to worry about any cooking or cleaning. Hells yeah. Okay, this is a pretty cool road. Pretty simple. Super pretty through all these mountains, man. It's the thing I love about this Harley-Moto app that I'm using for my navigation. I just can literally hit round trip from my house and it creates a whole route for me for however long I want it to be. And I set it for about 100 miles and came out to like 110 miles. So it's 2.5 hours riding through back roads that I've never even heard of or would have never even known existed. So it finds all these routes for you. Damn, man, that's why I love this app. coming from a city lifestyle where every single intersection is a stoplight to now coming out here, huge change of pace in the lifestyle, but it is so nice and refreshing. The country boy in me is talking, I want to live out here, but I wouldn't know what to do with all this freaking land. Just a quick little shout out. I noticed that I have recently gained a lot of brand new followers. Over, I think, the last like month, maybe month and a half, I've gained like almost 100 subscribers. And you know what? Thank you. I really appreciate you joining the community. I really appreciate you wanting to be a part of the Fat Boys community. I'm happy. Thank you for clicking that subscribe button. It really does help out. Oh, look at that mountain view. Woo boy. So with that, oh man, it's just so beautiful. It's so hard to talk to you guys sometimes. So with that, thanks being said, I actually am kind of curious for the community. Are you guys interested in some merchandise possibly coming out sometime soon? I do have some designs I've been kind of working on for fun that could possibly work. And also, if you're interested in helping out the community a little bit more, so that way we can help grow this platform and this channel more together. I'm thinking about opening up a Patreon and starting a Discord member group, just so that way we could all, you know, get together a little bit more, have more one-on-one communications. I can answer you guys' questions, and we can really come together as a Fat Boys community. So if you are interested in this happening, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below, because I really would love to make that happen for us. I really am interested in just building a community where we can all come together as a whole bunch of different interests and bikes. I'm interested in building that community to where we can be literally nationwide, and we will be able to do meetups based off of camping, ADVs, cruising, charity rides, and all that other fun stuff. Build up a really big community that really does try to better the rest of the communities. That's my major goal with all this. I want this community to better the whole of the community. Would you look at that? Kalimoto has updated, and it fixed that issue I was talking about. Which, if you haven't seen me talking about that, again, I'm going to do another little plug for my videos. I made a whole app comparison video. Really made a whole video that just really talked about the differences and better apps for different situations. So, just something to, if you're looking for some motorcycle apps, that's out there for you. This is also the first time I'm using the new Insta360, and you know, I kind of don't know how long it's going to last, so I keep keeping an eye on it to see when it's just going to out on me. I'm actually kind of curious what's going to last, the GoPros or that, so this will be interesting. So I started them all just about the same time. Welcome to the shop. Actually, looks like a pretty cool little motorcycle shop. Man, even though we're starting to get into the city, this is still pretty freaking nice. Mountain cities are different. I don't get this. I don't know. I still do not compute mountain cities. Man, these little riverside parks are so freaking cute. Never had anything like that in Florida. I guess the closest thing like that in Florida would be springs, but those springs are more part of state park, so you're kind of going to like a state park instead of like a riverside park. Here we go. Now we're starting to get back into a little bit more twisties. I was thinking about ending the video back there. I'm glad I didn't. Ah, bah, it's a goat. Nah. Oh man, this is cool. And we're going like straight up the freaking side of a mountain too. This is pretty freaking cool. Oh man, go get lost, people. Go pick a direction and go get lost. Holy crap. And if you can't pick a direction, use freaking Calimotive, because they'll pick you. They'll find you a good route and be able to take you back home. Oh man, guys, this is so cool. And there's Salem and Roanoke. Oh man, this is a pretty freaking crazy road, I'm not gonna lie. Go Calimoto. And it's paved still. That's what's the most surprising to me. You know, I ain't got much to say this time. I just really wanted to talk to you guys. Thank you again for all you new subscribers. If you aren't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out the algorithm. And, you know, just keep in touch. Just keep watching the videos, guys. I really appreciate all the love. This is a sharp corner. Holy crap. Just thank you, really, thank you. So with that, I'm gonna say go freaking explore the roads. Go have some fun. Don't let the cold stop you. And if you're down in Florida and the riding season's starting, get the hell out of Florida. Go actually explore some places. So with that, stay safe out there, y'all. Peace.